Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My name is Muhammad Ashadujaman Jumon. My metric number is 2213853. So today I would like to talk about use case description, registration use case in the venue reservation system for student. So the description allows student to register for a venue reservation. Triggering event, student use web page, view list of venue, select date and time, and initiate the registration process. So here are the step to perform. There are the five step to perform. Then the information of this step. The first is registration, then logging, then view list of venue, then view date and time. So the precondition is that student always registered. Post condition is that student already login. Assumption is that the student has a valid password and ID. So requirements meet student allow student to select venue make booking. So the outstanding issue registration from cannot be filled. So the alternative flow is that if venue list is not visible, student can relog in. So the next thing is that use case activity. We start with student registers leading to update interest, then either successful or unsuccessful. If successful, it go to next step, student login. If it is unsuccessful, it loops back to the update interest, and then student logging to validate, and then also loop. If successful, it go to the view venue, and if it is unsuccessful, go return to the student login. So after that, use case sequence, which shows interaction between six entities. The first is student, second is student user interface, third one view student interface controller, fourth one registered, fifth one login, and the last one successful login. So here are the action point. The first action point is provide student login. After that, login, then get credentials, and then back return to credentials, then return student details. After that, display student details, then click next button, go to the student user interface, send credentials, and after that, get details, and then login validate details, and successful, and then go back to the return confirmation, and after that, display confirmation. So thanks.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Tanvir Ahmed Shukun. Now I'll be presenting use case description of venue. Our use case name is venue subsystem and our area is venue reservation system. Our actor is student or it can be staff of our university. The description is allow its students or the staffs to choose venue and make the booking process after a student have registered to the system. Steps to perform and information for steps. To book a venue from our website is quite straightforward. The student, the staff first select the capacity, the request capacity, and then the student or the staff select the timetable. Then the venue owner will check in that particular time and with that particular capacity, is there any available halls. If there is, then it will show the halls like the list of all displayed. Then the student choose the hall. The information is hall selected. Then student select the package. If they want the package, they can select it. Then it will pop up package select. The information is package selected. Then student choose event type. Then the event type is selected. Then student make the booking. It will show the booking details after the student make the booking. Then if they want to cancel it, it's optional, so they can cancel. After that, one message will pop up: booking cancel details. It's the information. And the precondition is student already registered, and the post condition is student already logged in. Outstanding issues: student failed to make booking. The alternative flow is if student want to cancel the booking, they will click the cancel button to cancel it. And on the and here is our activity diagram. We have three columns: student, system, and the owner. I mean the venue owner. So first, student will select the capacity and the timetable. Then it will pretend the system that selected, and the owner will be notified, and he will check if the venue is available or not in that particular capacity and particular timetable. If available, then it will and the system will show the halls. Then the student or the staff will select the halls. Then they will proceed to book it, and when they click it book, then the system will show booking will proceed to book. And then owner will be notified. And after the booking process is done, then the system will give him a booking receipt. The student can print it or save it afterwards, depends on him. And then end. And here is our sequence diagram. Here we have our actor here, then the interface, the controller, the event, booking details, and server. So first, student will select the event. So it will first go to the interface and select the event, then it will go to the controller, and the message here is select event. Then it goes to the event section, and uh, as a method, select event as a function. Then it will return the value event selected to the customer, I mean the student. Then for the availability, he will check that the same process through the interface, through the controller. It will directly go to the server, and where the most of the data are stored in the server. That's why it will go to the server. Then it will check the availability. If it's available or not, then it will show the availability or not available message to the student or the staff. Then they make the booking through the interface and the controller. It will go to the booking part and notify that and give him the reply, yeah, booking done. And after that, the student or the actor can view the booking. It will go to the booking details through controller and the interface and reply back to the controller that uh, it's displayed. Then edit the actor can edit the booking, like they want to cancel it or they want to add more. So yeah, there's option. So the actor can request that to the booking details through the controller and the interface, and it will reply to the controller, yeah, edited.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Abdul Hakim. Okay, in this video, I will present the use case description, use case activity, and use case sequence for my subsystem, which is the payment subsystem. Okay, with this, without further ado, let's go to the use case description. Okay, for the description of this subsystem is allow student to make payment after select the venue and complete the booking process. Okay, it trigger event and it's a news web page. Select venue and complete the booking process. Okay, for the trigger type, it's external. Okay, this is the steps to perform the subsystem, which is the first one is student select the venue. Student completed the booking process. Student make the payment. It involve the conversion steps. It's payment details. Student select the payment method, which is the web page will uh, display four types of payment method, which is FPX, credit card or debit card, or e-wallet and cash. Okay, and then the confirmation of payment system validate the payment, and then the student view the receipt. Okay, for these three steps, it's involve payment details, and the second last is the student either save or print receipt. It's on receipt details, and last step is student successfully complete the booking process after pay the after make the payment. Okay, for the precondition, student already registered, and then post condition, student successfully make the booking, and assumption student have valid and valid ID and valid password requirement. It's allow student to make booking, to make payment, and then the 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 system will validate the payment. Okay, for the outstanding issue, system can validate. And the alternate flow is if the booking is cancelled if student did not pay in certain period of time. Okay. For the next one is the activity diagram. Activity diagram or use case activity, which is involve only two students and system. Okay, within this is the flow of the system. The first step is student make the payment. After that, student will the system will display the payment page. After that, student select the payment and display. At the same time, the system will display the payment method, and then the student will proceed select and proceed with the selected payment method, and then he or she will make the payment, and then the system will validate. Okay. After the validation, there will be a two condition. If the validation is successful, it will continue to the next step. If not, it will go back to the first step. So student need to make the payment again. After, if the condition is successful, okay, the payment is need to be confirmed, and then it will display the receipt. After that, student can save or print the receipt, and after that is the end of the system. Okay, the last one is the sequence. Okay, for the sequence, use a sequence, there will be a students. In the controller is booking, payment type, and payment. Okay, in this process, student will make the booking first, and then after that, the booking system will uh, return the booking details for the students, and then after making the booking, it will go to the next step, which is the select payment type. After select it, after selected the payment, the payment type, and the system will return what the type that the students are already selected. After selecting, it will go to the next step, which is make the payment. After make the payment, it will go to the receipt as the last. After this, it system will return, and the last one is display payment receipt. It's for the student reference.